Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Ontario, California. We are at the first annual O-Town Walls Mural Festival. They are putting up 16 new murals around the Ontario, California Arts District. Today is the last day. They had October 13th through 18th to finish their mural. So a lot of people up here are painting. So check them out, maybe talk to some artists, and check out all the murals for the O-Town MuralFest 2025. If it's your first time here, again, please like, please subscribe, please comment, all of that fun stuff. So let's go check out these murals. But this one's done.
Nice seeing you, player.
See someone here across the street. Let's see what they're up to. So there's a map somewhere, I guess. There. I haven't seen the map. I'm going to try to find that map and try to hit all 16 murals if I can. It's cool because you can actually see if you focus in. Oh, take two. That's cool because you can actually see he kind of drew out where he's going to paint the back of the car, the headlight, the tail lights there. He's going to fill that out later on. It's just amazing to watch them work at something that big. How's it going?
How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Looks great, man.
Oh, thank you.
Question, so when they ask you to do this, you put whatever you want, they don't...
It depends if it's a sponsor wall. Mine wasn't a sponsor wall, so I'm able to...
They get you on camera?
Sure.
Yeah.
So,
What do you go by?
Cubo1.
Okay.
Underscore. So Cubo, Instagram Cubo_1.
Okay.
Find me there.
Okay.
But they call me Cubo.
Cool. That looks great, man. What's your inspiration? Do you have one or?
Yeah. I was basically trying to showcase the Chicano culture by giving it a modern look, and also giving a little light to our lighter skin raza. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I see the red hair there. Yeah.
Yeah, so I say, you know what, we come on colors, but let me give them a little love here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm getting none sometimes.
That's great, man. Did you start on the 13th?
Yeah.
So when you do something this size, how long does it normally take you?
It depends. It depends on the concept.
Okay.
This one, because I'm doing a girl, normally I take forever.
Yeah.
I try to be quick, like this guy over here.
Yeah.
But the
But that guy's already gone, man. That was
done.
fast. Yeah.
He has his method down to a T. Me, I'm still trying to figure it out.
So how do you paint something that big? You just like
scale it?
You scale it, yeah, you draw it freehand, and then you kind of like,
Yeah.
It's always impressed me how you guys do that.
Well, there's grids as well.
Yeah.
So you use grids to mark your spots, and then that's how you're able to scale it real quickly. So it speeds up the process. Because once you scale it, then you can go to work.
All right. Well, looks great.
Even then, man, I'm still kind of struggling here with the girl's face, you know?
Looks good.
Thank you.
Is that based on someone you know?
Yeah.
Cool.
But she don't know it.
That's even better, man. She'll walk by one day, she'll see herself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know
Well, cool. Thanks, man.
Hey, no problem.
Take care.
Hey, you have a good one.
You as well. So that's cool. Yeah. These guys are out here just doing their work. There's one here you really can't see. I'll get that across the street later on, but there's their tag here. This one over here working. Got a couple across the street here. It's cool, they're all sponsored. Allison Bamcat. How's it going? That looks great.
Thank you.
Cool. Firefighters here. Oh! Found another one by accident. I don't know if this one's a new one or an old one. Yeah, some of them are already done and the artists are gone, and some are still trying to get theirs finished today. I'm guessing because it's coned off, it's a new one. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? 7 I've seen so far?
Took a nap a little bit. I was not gonna wash my hair, and then I was like, what am I thinking? I didn't wash my hair.
Here's the one across the street we walked by earlier. That's cool because the top is corrugated, so you gotta paint both sides of the corrugation. Is corrugation a word? I'm going to say it is. There you go. What are you doing there? All right, there we go. So I already lost count. Is this 8, 9, and 10? I don't know. That one's very cool. I love that sound. And then I don't know if this one. I don't think this one's one of them, but we'll grab it anyway because it's cool. I like it. I don't think this is one of them, but I like it. Anyway, the bloom where you're planted. Oh yeah, it's a plant shop, so that's probably already there all the time. Oh, this one is one. Okay. So we got one here. See if there's a tag on there. Garcia. Kind of goes around the corner, kind of wraps around the whole building. I don't know if they're done or not. It looks good. But there's still paper down there. And over here is Holton Palm. When we saw them, they sponsored the one in the corner over there. Alright, let's look for more. This one's ginormous, my gosh. It's like the biggest one here. Did you ask for the biggest wall? They just gave it to you. What's that?
Kind of both.
Okay.
I had a different design that was more me. I mean, flexing, I guess.
Can I record you?
What's that?
Can I record you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I had a different design, but then there was another artist that they had slated for this one, but that person is an artist that doesn't typically like to be told what to do.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Yeah. Most artists, I'm guessing, yeah.
Yeah, and this one is sponsored by the Ontario
Buzzer? What is that?
Tower Buzzers. That's the new single A team.
Oh, there's one. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So I had a different mural designed, and then I said, hey, if there was a couple of artists, if they don't want to do it, then I'll do it. And then and that's what I kind of called.
Okay.
I knew they were going to want to just kind of do what they wanted to do.
Yeah.
And then, but working with the Ontario Tower Buzzers was pretty darn cool. I mean, right away there was just a few tweaks and stuff like that, but they really loved the initial design.
So it's your design, and they just kind of say, yes, we like that, go that way?
There was a few things that kind of happened. We had the logo over here, but then with working with the city of Ontario, they couldn't have the logo on there.
You mean the Dodger logo? Or the Buzzer logo,
yeah.
Okay.
But I actually agree with them, because without the logo, it actually looks more artistic.
Right, yeah.
So I think that was a good call. So there was just a few shifting, and like the mountains, but they really wanted those mountains to be there for sure.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Ontario, for Inland Empire.
And the plane.
And the plane.
Yeah.
And then there's some shapes, pattern shapes I'm going to add at the very end that are beehive shapes.
Okay.
Or honeycomb shapes.
Have you been doing this since the 13th?
I started, we lost a day Tuesday because of the rain.
Yeah.
And then a couple days I only worked 3 hours a day because I've got another deadline on a project.
Nothing like pressure, huh?
Oh my gosh. Typically that doesn't happen when I'm in a mural festival. That's all I'm doing, but I live in Rancho, so
Okay.
kind of worked out that it's been DEF CON 1 this week.
Well, that's great. How do people find you?
Right here. St. Grammar Art.
Got it. Cool. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Looks great. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
You gonna finish today, you think, or this week, or?
I'll finish for sure tomorrow night.
All right. Cool. Come back and check it out.
Yeah, the lift gets picked up Monday morning.
See, no pressure.
It's on,
Yeah. Have a great day. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
If you're wondering about the noise, it's the today is the 18th. It's a No Kings rally, so people are all out in numbers, which is great to see. Let's see what's next. I don't think these are part of it, but they're cool and they're new. So let's get the murals. Meow. All right, you can see he's made some progress there. So I was told there were 16. I tried to find them all. There's 10. And I think I got all 10. I lost count. And I think I got all 10 mazes. 10 mazes. Sorry, I'm still in Halloween mode. 10 murals. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed this. Also, if you know more events like this in your area, let me know, because I love doing stuff like this with you. So again, thanks for watching. First time here, please like, please subscribe, please comment, and we will see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Thanks for watching. Bye.